welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do one video about Tinkercad Breadboard basics. In this video we are going to only discuss about breadboard. What is a breadboard and how does it work? In this diagram, this is the underside of an breadboard. These are connected horizontally and these are connected vertically. These wires are connected horizontally and these are vertical. In this you can see plus and minus. The horizontal line, these are also called trail jacks. This is plus and this is minus. Here you can see alphabets and numbers. Now, why are they here? Let us see. The alphabets are here because they are numbers and alphabets. Now, I am connecting an LED. Suppose here to here. And I am connecting an wire from A to like 30, and once I connect A from 30, it will be known as A30. A1 to A30. It's like we are connecting the wire from A1. You can see the alphabet here. You can see the alphabets and the numbers nicely. You can see alphabets. Now this is A1 to A25. Like that we connected the wire. We can say like that. This is the breadboard. What is a breadboard? A breadboard is a simple device designed to let you create circuits without the need for soldering. A breadboard or protoboard is a construction-based prototype for electronics that is known as breadboard. Right now we are in Tinkercad. We are going to do an breadboard program. Here I typed breadboard and I see 3 types of breadboard. Small breadboard, mini breadboard. Now, this is breadboard. Now I need to get an LED. We are going to do a project. Now, I am going to connect this LED here. Right now, are you able to see the numbers? Yes. Now, I get a coin cell 3 voltage battery. When I go here, you can see this dotted lines green color. With these you can connect wires and other components. A breadboard is used for connecting many components like LED, motor and etc. Many of them. Now this 3 voltage cone battery can't be similar to a LED. That is why I am going to delete it and take an 1.5 voltage battery. Now these are different. This is one family and this is one family. These are horizontal lines. These are vertical lines. The vertical lines are straight and the horizontal lines are sleeping lines. Now, with this battery, I am going to connect this battery to this LED. They are going to be connected and I am going to do that. There are 2 ways to do that. Let me show it to you. There are many ways. The first way is connect the batteries positive to the LEDs anode down, a bit down here. Anywhere you can do here, but not in here. Not as it here. Next, I change the color of the wire. And then I connect from the batteries negative to the LEDs cathode down here anywhere, but here no. Like here. And now when I click the start simulation button, the LED is on. You can see its brightness. That is how the program works. The next way is this is used to connect from here. It can go from here to here. It is connective. They connect each other. From here, if we connect this positive wire from the battery here, from here to here and near it anywhere like that we will connect. Just look. Now I connect this in here and I connect the battery is negative here. Now we change the color to red. Next what I do is from here I can do anywhere like here to here, down anywhere. You know that. Then from here we will do it again, but I change the color and I think from here I will do it. Now the LED is lit. That is how it works. That's the second way. Now I want like 3 or 4 LEDs to be lit, to be on. So what I delete this, all of this. Then I type LED here. I get multiple LEDs like 3, and I change the color of them to blue, red to green. No, I cannot connect here, but I can. I rotate it. Now, before I told you, just like we did before, we are going to do it, but multiple LEDs and LEDs in here and in here. Now I connect this here. This will be here. Now I want 3 of these LEDs to be lighting up. What do I do for that? Let us see. Now connect the positive, supposedly here. Connect the negative. Sorry, I have to change the color because now from here I do not go directly here. Let me show you what I am going to do. Now from here this is plus, so I go plus here. Then from here I can go anywhere, like and I attach it to the LEDs cathode down part here anywhere, but not in here. Then I change the color to red again. Then I attach it anywhere, like from here. To there. Now from here what will I do? Let me tell you. Now I use red here. It cannot be done. I want to change the direction of the LED here. Now from here I connect to anode. This means it is low. Now I want to change this. Rotate this. I will put this here. Then when I click the start simulation button, nothing is lit. Well, that is because I didn't connect here. Now and also I did mistake here. Understood, guys? Because negative, I go here. Now this positive here. I will change the color after I finish everything. Or I will just, now I will do from here. I do here, and this from here to there. I change the color again to black. Then I attach it to characters, to the LEDs cartoon, down part, here, anywhere. Next is red. Sorry. Now I attach it here. And I click the start simulation button. All of them are red. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys like this video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.